Resampling is just a umbrella word or the concept of how you train an algorithm. Here's the data, try it against the model. Here's what we learned, right? Here's the metrics that changed. But that is effectively what resampling is. There's different ways to do resampling, and those ways have different approaches. But when you think of resampling and the ways to do resampling, you should be thinking about, oh yeah, that's the training of a model. That's how a model learns, right? So some of you mentioned some of these terms that are now up on the screen, right? We saw people mention cross-validation. We saw people mention bootstrap in the earlier conversation. So I don't want you to kind of get confused in those, right? Because when you think about cross-validation is resampling. Bootstrap is also resampling. So by definition, cross-validation is the process that you use it's a process that an algorithm goes through to learn.